So friends, to solve this problem, we'll use the V-Bodmas rule, which dictates the order of operations, bar or a absolute value also, brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now, here is the problem, and we simplify first numerator part. So step 1, the numerator says 9, and then absolute value 3 minus 5, and minus 5, 4, and divided by 10. So absolute value, vinculum, brackets. So there is a 3 minus 5 equals to minus 2. Absolute always answer gives you in positive manner. So equals to 2. 4 equals to 4. Now the expression becomes is 9, 2 minus 5, 4 and divided by 10. Now step 2, multiplication and division left to right. So first 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. And then 5 into 4 equals to 20. Now expression becomes 18 minus 20 divided by 10. Now perform division. So division part says 20 divided by 10 equals to 2. And then after you have to subtract 18 minus 2 equals to 16. So 16 is the numerator part. Now simplify the denominator part. Denominator part says 3 minus 3 5 minus 2 multiplied by 4 divided by 2. First solve brackets, multiplication, minus 3 multiplied by 5 equals to minus 15. Now the expression becomes minus 15 minus 2 into 4 divided by 2. Now the second step perform division. So 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. Now the expression becomes minus 15 multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 2. Now perform multiplication part and then final subtraction. So minus 15 minus 4 equals to minus minus plus, and the answer will be negative because of the larger digit is 15 and minus 19. Last step 3, combine and conclude. Now put the simplified numerator over the simplified denominator. So result says 16 divided by minus 19. So it will become minus 16 upon 19. Conclusion: following the V-Bodmas rule strictly ensures that we handle the absolute value first and then the multiplication and division before finishing with the subtraction. Now the correct option is C, minus 16 upon 19, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.